Michele, dude. We're just chilling, and I thought we'd shoot you a little video, you know, Merry Christmas and all that. Oh shit, someone's knocking at the door.
Someone's knocking at the door. Shit, who is it? Yo,
Oh shit, it's Mahmood.
Mahmood, welcome on, say hi.
Mahmood, say hi to Mike.
Yo, hi Mike. What's up, man?
Anyways, we're just chilling.
As you can see, we haven't changed a single bit. Beer's still here. And we've got news. Very
Great
good
news.
news. Very good news, in fact. Where are you, Ryan? Where are you?
Excellent news, excellent
Excellent
news.
news. You're coming to home, mate. February the 6th.
Woo!
And it's going to happen. We've already cleared you some fridge space. You see this
As you
here?
can see.
The beer fridge. Here's where you keep...
Kebuko!
Kebuko! This is where you're going to keep all your food. We've already got you some there. Beer's there. It's up and stocked. Let's take you for a little tour of the house. Let's go. Here's the kitchen. Spick and span, as you can see.
Yeah, right there.
Huh? On the table somewhere. Tour of the house, tour of the house. How long is this video going to span?
I don't know.
I don't know. Alright, we're going up the stairs. Mikey, it's going to be a madness. We haven't changed a single bit. Here is...
That is better.
oh yeah, and here's... It gets even better. Here's your bedroom, bro. Here's your bedroom. We've already got... Oh, I didn't even add to the camera. Your bed's here. Everything's spick and span. And in case you get cold or tired, we have your good friend Gordon. In case you get cold, keep you warm at night and shit. But Mikey, that's basically what we're saying. Ryan, anything else?
Just get your ass over here, say thanks to Chris,
Yeah.
and get ready to drink a lot of beer.
An extreme amount of beer. See you later, bro.